Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making tofu burji or scrambled tofu loaded with a lot of vegetables. Okay, for this recipe, we're going to need extra firm tofu, not regular. We need garlic, ginger, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, green chili pepper, onion, cilantro. We need tomatoes, green beans, peas, oil or ghee, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, and salt. Okay, my pan is on. I turned on the stove. So we're adding oil. You can use ghee, but I tried to keep it vegan this time, so we're not adding that. So we're gonna wait for a minute. We're adding garlic, ginger. Did not use a lot of garlic in there because it makes the taste different. I don't want to. So we are adding onions. You can choose veggies whatever you like. It's not necessary you have to choose the same veggies. You can use whatever, or if you want to leave some of them, you can do that too. Even without any veggie, it'll be good. If you are vegetarian, and this is really good protein source from plant. We can add a chili pepper. These chilies are not so spicy, so I'm choosing whole one chili. You can choose according to your own taste because sometimes they are very spicy, sometimes they are not. We are not making them the onions golden brown. We're just wanting to see them transparent. That's the point what we want. We're adding cumin seeds. Adding turmeric powder. Adding tomatoes. I'm adding a little bit more oil. Add salt. Okay, we're adding green beans first because they cook take a little longer to cook than other stuff we have. Okay, so now we're adding our green peas, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, all the veggies give really beautiful color in the tofu. So we're gonna cook just like that, and I'm gonna cover it and cook for a little bit until they get a little bit tender. We'll be back. Okay, let's check it. Alrighty, they're not tender enough. I want them to be cooked a little more. Then we'll add our tofu in there. Yes. You can lower the flame because my flame was a little bit high, so that's the reason it stick to the pan. We want to cook it with the steam. Alrighty. Alrighty, let's check it back. Alrighty, wow, this looks very pretty. Now it's time to add our tofu. I washed it. I don't know how other people does. I always washed my tofu. So you just crush it a little bit, like scramble. I don't know if you're able to see it. I'm using the wrong hand, right? Okay. Make sure your heat is low when you do this. You don't want to burn your vegetables. Okay. All right, you mix it really well. At this point, if you feel like you have your salt is less or more, if your salt is less, just add more salt. Look at that. I really like the way how it turned out. Mostly anytime I cook, I like it. And we're gonna turn on the heat back, like make it a little bit higher, because we turned to low before while I was putting in there the tofu. You can make it really fine, or you can just leave it big chunk in there. It doesn't matter. Look at this. Now again, we're gonna cover it and cook. If you don't want to cover it, you can cook it like that, but make sure you stir it if you do that. So I'm gonna cover it and cook. See, there is not so many spices, but the taste is amazing when you cook this, and it's very healthy recipe. It has a lot of vegetables, and tofu is soy protein. If you are allergic to soy, please do not make this. Please don't do that. Because I see some people are allergic to soy. Okay, so we're gonna cover for a little bit, and my heat is like medium high. We're gonna cook a little more so our tofu can cook. Alrighty, let's check it. Alrighty, it seems like our tofu is done. If you see a lot more water in there, because burji is supposed to be like dry, so if you see little moisture in there, just turn on the heat a little bit high and keep stir until that water is dry or so. All right, now at this point we can add our cilantro. Okay, so we can plate it now. We're all good. Turn off the stove and let's plate it. Okay, here is our veggie loaded tofu burji or scrambled tofu ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Also click on the bell icon to get a notification for my new videos. I will see you with the new video. Until then, take care.